So recently inside Assist, we launched the Output Template Builder. You get to it really simply by clicking on Create Template. But now we've made it even simpler to create those templates. Templates have various different sections that you need to complete in order to get your template live. And sometimes you can get a bit stuck creating the instructions for your template. So to make that even easier, we have released the Output Template Builder. Now bear with me, I know that sounds a bit meta, but it all will become clear very soon. As you can see, a template has lots of different sections, such as the template name, a description of what the template does, the AI instructions that it needs to follow, including the section instructions that dictate what goes into each section of an output. So for example, in this production brief here, you can see down the bottom we've got our main instructions for the AI, and then we have these 4 sections, and each of these sections has a prompt that sits behind it. This correlates with the sections that you see when you come to create your template and you come down to production brief, and you can see the sections outlined here. Now, to make it even easier to create those prompts, we have created the Output Template Output Builder. Let's show you how that works now. So let's say I'm going to create a new production brief. We're going to follow the same, we're going to produce a production brief with the same outline just to keep it really simple. So let's load that up in a different screen so we've got something to follow. So here are the 4 sections that I'm going to want in my output. So let's just copy those for now so we've got them handy. And now let's get into the process of using the template builder to create a template. So first of all, I want to create a new output. A new output is this Output Template Prompt Builder. As you can see, these sections correlate to the sections that you're going to need to input into your template when you go and build it. So let's create that. All I need to do now is come in here and give an instruction as to the source of template that I want to build. So in this case, help me create a video production brief template with the following sections. Now we can let the AI go off, and it will start to fill in the different sections in this prompt builder document. As you can see, it's picked up on the 4 sections that I want, but even if I hadn't given it those sections, it would have come up with its own anyway. And now we've got all the prompts that we need to build out our template. So back in Workspace Templates, let's create our new template. Create template. Let's call it Video Production Brief. Okay, what does this template do? So we've come back over here. What does this template do? So we can capture this information and drop it into our template. Let's change the icon so that it's something we recognize. Welcome message. Come back over here. You can see we've got a welcome message. Let's just copy that. Of course, we can adjust this as we go. Now let's click on the AI instructions. Now this is our main prompt. So the main prompt that's instructing it what to go and do, we can just paste that in. And then we get into our sections. So for each one of these sections, as you can see, we've got a prompt that goes with it. So let's just drop those in. Okay, that's all our sections added. Let's keep it private for now and create the template. There you go, template created successfully. Now let's come over to our project Acme Traps, new output. Down the bottom here we have our video production brief. As you can see, here's the description, here's all the sections. Click create. Now I'm just going to give it a very quick task. Give us a video production brief for Whiskers cat food. Now obviously it's got no instructions about the actual video that we want to go and make, but it will make something up just to fill in these outputs. As you can see, it's now starting to fill out each one of these sections in line with the instructions that we gave it. So there you have it. That is a really quick way for you to be able to quickly build out your own workspace templates using this new template that we've built for you, the Output Template Prompt Builder. Hope that helps.